How to check Amazon gift card balance. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can check your Amazon gift card balance. To do so, first of all, you will need to open any web browser on your device. Here I have launched my Chrome browser. Now once at the browser, in the search bar type in amazon.com. This is the official URL of Amazon. Now press on enter button to search for it. Within a while, you will be taken to the official website of Amazon now. Once you reach to this page here, ensure that you are logged into your account. Now once logged in, here you will need to hover your cursor over this account and list menu option at the very top, and then you will be able to see this pop-up menu. From here, onto this your account section, go ahead and click on this account option. Once you click on it, now you will be taken to a new page. Here you will be able to see different options. From here now you will need to locate gift card option. Once you locate it, simply click on it, and then here in this page, you will be able to see your current gift card balance. In this page, you will also be able to redeem a gift card by simply clicking on this redeem a gift card option next to reload your balance option here, and then you will need to enter a claim code in this field. After entering the code, simply click on this apply to your balance option at the right side, and then you will be able to redeem this code. After redeeming the code, you can return back to the previous page, and then here you will be able to see your gift card balance. So by following these steps, you should be able to check Amazon gift card balance. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.